Menteri Bakmi katanat puli puthi ubalak men remboi ula ong ba ka Sorkar jala kala shime karai ba lada jaba don ki Khynnah ke Ialeh ke Eksamin SSLC bat HSSLC bakim yo Ialeh ke Eksamin lada ki yo COVID-19 katanat puli puthi kan Ailad Biang yeki ban Ialeh yeki di ki Eksamin kham hadien. Habai kiran bikinong pathai khubor uba remboi ula ong ba nadu katayo ke banwan ki Khynnah school kin hab ban Ialeh ke Eksamin SSLC bat HSSLC. Henry namar ba kajing don jong kajing sapriang kansan ka klam jingpang kumta ka Meghalaya Board of School Education kata ka embos kan Ailad ki Khynnah ki ba yo COVID-19 bakin Ialeh biang ya kini ki Eksamin. Bat kini ki Khynnah ki haban pensi Ailad dia da ka ba peni ya ka RT-PCR certificate baki yo COVID-19. Ulong ba ki don hadu enrupusan hajar nyau spa prap nyungut ki Khynnah ki ban Ialeh ke Eksamin SSLC bat lai puar hajar sau spa khandai pundai ngut ki ban Ialeh ke Eksamin HSSLC. Ulong ba ke Eksamin kan ya bit sakmat kumbala penbena bat katanat puli puthi kan shimmi kilat jingyada ha kajing penlong ye kini ki Eksamin ha keleng ki benta jok jela. Habalakali laka Sorkar ka don jing tmu ni ban pak hang shwai ki school kham tam habakala don ka jing sapriang ka klam jing pang uba remboi ulaong ba ka Sorkar kampat rai ban khang shwa shipor ki school henrei kan sa shimya ka rai lada idon kam. Hakbai dei ba ka jing sha pensa kelas ni fil jong ki Khynnah school wala ka Sorkar jela kala hukum ya barok ki school ba kim dei ban pensa kelas ya ki Khynnah school nakaliang uba remboi ulaong bala da don ki Khynnah school ki bahap ban shang biang ha ka jo ka kelas ki kmi ki pa jong ki dei ban ujor saka district school education officer ni subdivisional school education officer khnang bakin yo ban le yak badan kam.
Emergence of this new case, so we have decided that in case any candidate could not appear exam due to the contract of this COVID, they will be given chance to appear afterwards provided they give the RT-PCR certificate that they are suffering from COVID. So taking to this consideration, so we have to make a plan A, plan B. Plan A is that the exam will go on as have been decided. There are about 65,787 candidates for SSLC and there are 32,506 for the HSSLC. So that it is about 90,000 plus. All the protocol have been issued and the proper protocol will be done so that to prevent this COVID-19 in the examination hall so that the student could do their exam.
Uba lakmen remboi uba longru menteri uba kmi ka district council affairs ulaong ba ka Sorkar kla penkre bahana ka bentaban penlong ya ka election MDC jong ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council bat ukmi lenti ba kan ka election kan ya bet ya lenti bat lakuntu ya ki sispa arpo prangot ki kertong ki bay aireng ha kan ka election MDC ba ki de ben kentu ya laki nong kersan bat ikipat ba baki de ben mi sakmat bani shimenta ha ka
See, the government, the district administration and the government have fully prepared how to conduct this coming election in the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. So I don't see any hiccup will be there. I hope that the election will go smoothly and I wish that all the 182 candidates who are contesting that they will urge their own supporter to go to vote and to vote peacefully.